Hello, my dear lovely friends. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are you doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now, I am Moscow area, and today first Juma in Ramadan month, and I have done Juma fair already, and this area try to making English video practice, and every day try to everywhere practice making English video. And this area so beautiful, and over there so many people, and they have done Juma fair, and I am trying to make English video, and so many people in this area, and just going to home, and I am trying to this area making English video, and every day practice everywhere, every place, and inshallah every day practice. And this area name Andukila Shahi Jami Masjid area. Okay, see you later again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.